Hello friends, today I want to explore databases, and this is going to be a short video because the topic of databases is really broad, but today we want to just take a sneak peek of what technologies are out there that can be used for your different applications. So let's take a look at the different kinds of databases that there are out there. And essentially you have two types of databases. You have relational databases and non-relational databases. Let's look at relational databases in a little bit more of detail. As you can see in this diagram, relational databases are comprised of tables, and tables are essentially an array of data where you have rows and columns are the different characteristics of the data. And these relational databases have groups of tables that are related through different columns or different fields. So as you can see, there are relationships between all those tables. With relational databases, you can model almost all kind of information that you can think about, but the limitation is the performance. So when you have systems that have a lot of data, in the gigabytes or terabytes or petabytes of data, this model slowly doesn't work that well. The main problem with this model is that when you have a system with a lot of rows, with a lot of information, it's really expensive to run a query that connect all these foreign keys, all these foreign IDs from the different tables. For this reason, we have specialized database systems. And this is where non-relational databases come from. A very simple type of non-relational database is the key value storage. And here, as you can see, you have a simple table where you have keys, which are IDs or addresses, and values, which is the real information that you want to store, that you want to retrieve. There are other systems, the so-called document databases, that also contain collections of documents, of different categories of documents, and those collections of documents are also sorted with keys and the documents. So you can think of a document as a Word document or an Excel sheet or a web page or a JSON file. And these databases allowed for easy retrieval and finding of these documents. Finally, with the rise of social media, for instance, we have the graph databases. And graph databases are a slightly different kind of beast. You have nodes or entities that are connected in more organic ways among each other. Okay, so now you have seen how relational databases look like and how non-relational databases look like. Of course, there are more kinds of non-relational databases out there. It depends on the application that you want to have. But I think this illustrates the tendency, the trends where we are going.